Have you ever wondered how to distinguish a bee from a wasp or a fly? Do you know which ones are dangerous or harmless? Why is it important to protect bees despite their occasional nuisance? Bees are essential to our ecosystem, playing a crucial role in pollination. However, not all flying insects are bees and not all bees are harmless. This guide will help you to identify bees, differentiate them from wasps and flies, understand their importance, and provide tips on managing and controlling bees and wasps around your home and garden. First, how to identify bees, wasps, and flies. Well, bees, they have a robust, hairy body which helps them collect pollen. The color is typically black or brown with yellow, white, or orange stripes. The behavior is generally non-aggressive unless provoked, and the common types are honeybees, bumblebees, and carpenter bees. Wasps, they have a slender, smooth body with a narrow waist. The colors are bright yellow and black or sometimes red. The behavior is more aggressive than bees and can sting multiple times, and the common types are yellowjacket and hornets. Flies, they have a single pair of wings and large eyes. Colors are often dark, sometimes metallic, and can vary greatly in size and shape. Some flies mimic wasps and they bite. They do not sting, unlike wasps and bees. For example, horseflies. The behavior is erratic flying patterns and typically found near waste, decomposing matter, animal wounds, feces, or food. The common types are hoverflies, domestic flies, and the horseflies. Second, which ones to control and which ones to protect? To control, carpenter bees, while they are pollinators, their nesting habits can damage wooden structures, which is why it's necessary to control them. Wasps, including yellowjackets and hornets, due to their aggressive nature and potential danger to humans, especially for people allergic to stings, controlling wasps is necessary. Houseflies, horseflies, and fruit flies, control is necessary to prevent the spread of diseases and infestations in homes and farms. Now, to protect, honeybees, vital pollinators that are generally non-aggressive and should be protected. If a hive is problematic, consider contacting a beekeeper to relocate it rather than exterminating it. Bumblebees, important pollinators that are usually non-aggressive and should be left undisturbed unless their nest poses a direct threat for you. Hoverflies, they are beneficial pollinators that generally do not require control. Third, how to avoid bee stings. Avoid strong scents. Bees are attracted to floral scents and can be irritated by strong perfumes, deodorants, and lotions. Wear light-colored clothing. Dark colors and patterns can attract bees, while light colors are less appealing. Light, muted colors such as white, beige, and light pastels are less attractive to bees and wasps compared to dark or bright colors. Stay calm. If a bee or bumblebee approaches, remain still or move away slowly. Swatting can provoke them. Secure food and beverages. Bees are drawn to sweet foods and drinks. Keep these covered when outdoors and watch your children while eating ice cream, candies, or anything sweet. Do not panic. If a bee lands on you, gently blow it away, wait for it to leave, or move gently to another place. Remember that bees are less aggressive than wasps. If there are wasps nearby, try to stay away from them as they tend to sting even without being provoked. Avoid bright colors. Bright floral colors like red, yellow, and orange can attract bees and wasps because they resemble flowers, so opt for muted tones when spending time outdoors, especially in your garden. 5. Control methods. For carpenter bees, paint or stain wood. They prefer untreated wood. Use insecticidal dust directly into the nest holes when bees are less active. Once the bees are gone, seal the holes with wood putty or caulk. For wasps, keep food and garbage sealed and clean up spills. Set up traps away from common areas to lure wasps away. If you find a nest, consider hiring a professional to remove it safely. For smaller nests, you can use a wasp spray at night when they are less active, and always read the label of products and follow the instructions. For flies, keep food and waste covered. Use fly traps, dispose of overripe fruits, keep areas clean, and ensure screens are intact. For hoverflies, there's no need to control them. Unless they become a significant nuisance, they are harmless and they help with pollination. Repelling bees, wasps, and flies. Oils like peppermint, eucalyptus, and citronella can repel bees and wasps. Dilute with water and spray around entry points and outdoor areas. Also, planting mint, basil, and marigolds can naturally deter these insects. Bees are critical pollinators, responsible for pollinating approximately 1/3 of the food we consume, contributing to biodiversity and the stability of ecosystems. By understanding the differences between bees, wasps, and flies, and recognizing the importance of bees in our ecosystem, you can make informed decisions about which insects you need to control and which ones to protect. For questions about helping pollinators, differences between bees and other insects, or any gardening question, please contact your nearest cooperative extension office. We are always happy to help you with your gardening and agricultural projects.